After installing Sassin Smart app, in order to control and view the state of our electricity at any time and any place, we should add smart devices to apps and complete the network interconnection of device. Click the icon plus on the upright of the home page, scan QR code to add device. Then we will get the code results. Click Complete and modify device name. Our device have Wi-Fi edition and 4G edition. You are free to make your choice. After scanning the code successfully, we can skip to Device Interface to check the device. Then the phone is able to control the device easily, visually, conveniently.